So what you can also do using ChatGPT is generate vector graphics. So for that, I'm going to go around and type in a prompt right here. So what I need to go around and tell ChatGPT now is give this prompt. I'm going to go around and say generate a SVG code. So I need to go around and say SVG code right here, which is a scalable vector graphics code of an environment of a sunrise with mountains and road right here. It won't create a very fancy graphics, but a very simple one that you can work with. So let me just go around and press enter, and what happens is that it creates a SVG graphics, as you can see right here. So there's the background, the sun, the mountain, the ground, the road, and trees, as you can see right here. Let me just go around and copy out this code. Once you do that, you can go around and bring an editor like Notepad and paste out the code right here. Now you need to go to File right here and then save this out right here. So I'm going to go around onto my desktop and save this as all files, and I'm going to go around and say graphics.svg right here. So I'm going to go around and type in SVG as the extension, just like this, and then hit the save button. So once I go around and do that, the graphics is saved as an SVG graphics right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and open it around right here, then you can see that this is what is generated. This is an SVG graphics right here. You can see that there's the mountain, there's the road, and then this is a scene right here. What you can also do is you can go around and open this out with softwares like Adobe Illustrator right here, just like this. So let's just go around and do that and wait for a while, so you can see that it is getting opened up by Adobe Illustrator right here, just like this. And then you can see that you have it as Adobe Illustrator graphics right here that you can go around and edit. You can see that the mountain regions are different, so you can go around and drag the sun right here, drag in these roads right here, just like this, around over here, and arrange it out according to how you want. And that is how you can see that you can even generate out graphics, that is SVG graphics, inside of ChatGPT. And then this is how you can go around and utilize it. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.